Are you confident po based on the evidence ay talagang mako-convict itong si VP Sara, knowing that, alam naman po na talaga natin na some of the senators there are supporters of her and even saying na they will stop the impeachment. I think that's Senator Robin Padilla. And the other side of the fence, ganun din naman sinasabi nila, these senators are also anti-Duterte naman. So, your thoughts on that?
Well, sana, yun ang bang, they will really appreciate the evidence. No? They will not only look on, kaibigan ko to, sinusuportahan ko to. Talaga tinan nila yung ebidensya sapagkat the people are looking for it. No? For example, like a testimony of Ramil Madriaga, kahit sabihin nila na testimony yan ng isang taong that was charged in court, he was only charged in court, he wasn't even convicted. We always believe that a suspect is considered not guilty or innocent until proven guilty, di ba? I mean, katulad niyan, she should answer that. No? Pag kinakailangan talagang sagutin ng Vice President na itong si Ramil, hindi niya kilala ito. Itong si Ramil, hindi niya nakita ito. Itong si Ramil, sinungaling ang sinabi nito. And then she should also answer the threat that was given to the President. Siya yung mismo ang nag-threaten sa Presidente. Hindi lang yan, kundi she even contacted an assassin about that. No? Sabihin nila, biro lang yan. Well, the Vice President, that is the number 2 most powerful person in the land, should not make jokes on that. Yun ang sa amin doon. No? So, maraming dapat na sagutin siya tungkol siya sa mga bagay na yan.